welcome back to Project Frankenstein. Today, what are we doing today? I think we're going to swap those belts out. So yeah, let's pull the belts, take them down to O'Reilly's, see if we can find, hopefully they have them. I mean, worst case scenario, order them, but yeah, let's do that. All right, boom. Man, compared to some of the other projects I've done, this is kind of a walk in the park, honestly. So we just got to loosen this bad boy up to get this belt, and then we're just going to loosen this alternator bolt to get this belt off. But you can see, I mean, they're really bad. They're cracking. They feel super like, I mean, I don't know if I'd say brittle, but it's pretty close to there. So let's get these off. Boom. Well, it doesn't really get any easier than that, to be honest. Pretty simple. So let's go take these and see if we can find the right ones. All right, boom. All right, my boys at O'Reilly's, they hooked it up. I mean, well, they didn't really hook it up. You guys hooked it up, but they're always awesome to work with, so check this out. So I got springs to kind of tighten up that clutch pedal deal. I got new belts, and then I want to see if I can put the AC deal on a switch. So I'm going to put this switch. There's a switch hole already. I'm going to connect it with the AC so I don't have to like reach over to turn the AC on when I fix it. And then I got this for the horn because the way it is in the steering wheel, it's not really working. So I'm going to just run it separate to a push pedal on the, or push button on the bottom. All right, boom. Hey, seriously, thank you guys, because this, these parts all came from you guys and your support. Really do appreciate it. Frankenstein really appreciates it. If you're new to the channel, you want to support, all that information is in the description below. All right, let's go put these bad boys on. Boom, baby. Let's do the belts first. Super simple. And then we'll debate on the other two, which is first. All right. Boom. Man, I should have done this a long time ago. So it's not really too complicated. Oh, wait. Which is the bigger one? Let's go like that and like that. Okay, so this. Wait. I forget which was the bigger one. I think the bigger one goes on this side. Let's put this here. You see, just go around the fan shroud. And then like that. There we go. Yeah, baby! Oh. Is this the wrong one? No, I don't think this. I think we gotta do the other one. All right, hold on. Wait, That was a bigger one. Oh man. Alright, let's see. This one should be easy. Because this should just pop right on. Oh, come on, man. Ah! They're both wrong. Okay, well, those don't look to be the wrong size, so what am I doing wrong here? That actually makes me feel a little better, though, because I brought the belts, you know, so it's not like there was a reason for them to be wrong. Man, that is so much better. Oh, that's so cool. It's the little things, I'm telling you. Yeah, it feels so much better. Okay, so that's awesome. One more thing off the list. So now the alternator, we got to swap that out. That's probably going to be a project this month that we do. And then, yeah, so look, that's all kind of exposed and it's super close to the block. I really need to, at least if nothing else, wrap it up with some electric tape or something. So let me see if I have something there. And then next what do we decide? We've got either, we can set the horn up, the AC switch. I mean, we do have a ton of wiring. And then we also have these bad boys. So these I want to use to replace the deals down there. Actually, I'm going to do this next. So this I'm going to use for the clutch pedal and hopefully tighten that up just to make it really strong. Let me see if I can show what's going on here. Okay, so this spring is the spring that keeps the clutch pedal going back, right? Well, I put this spring on to keep it up because the clutch fork is extremely close to this header flange. So my biggest worry is I don't want to be in a situation where I go to push down the clutch and I'm hitting this piece right here, right? So that's why I'm trying to put this spring out. But then the one thing that does make me nervous on the clutch fork itself, I just don't want it to a point where it's, how do you say this? So it's not on the bearing right on the inside. So that's my biggest concern, because when I do tilt this up a little bit, you can hear it click. I don't know if you heard that, but the clicking is the tab that's on the inside of that fork. So that's my biggest worry. So I'm just trying to figure out how to do that. I might circle back to this. The part that really is kind of bothering me though, and if anybody, please, seriously, if anybody knows the answer to this, please let me know. This, in my opinion, is way too loose. I know that this bushing right here is probably worn out. If there's some, I don't know if there is, but I would assume if there's something that's supposed to go there, it's probably worn out. And maybe same on this other side. The brackets everything's bolted tightly how it's supposed to be. But maybe you guys can answer if you know. Should this be tighter? Is this really the way it is? Because I have had this piece right here come off the clutch fork. So I'm just trying to figure out how to tighten everything up in here because I really want to eliminate all of the play in the pedals and steering and all that stuff. I'm really trying to get the, I want it to ride smooth and everything just be smooth. So I don't want any play. So that's what I'm trying to fix. This is the old spring. I'll just leave it there temporarily until I figure out what I want to do. But if you guys have any suggestions, I would really appreciate your help. All right, so we're back in the cab. It's easily triple digits. So that's why I got the, what do we call that bad boy there? But this is the spot that I was talking about for the switch. So I think I'm gonna wire this switch to go to that bad boy. And then that way I don't have to lean over. Plus, I wanted to put something here anyways. And I really don't have a better idea. So, all right. All right, bam. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. There you go. There you go. On, off. Simple. Now we just got to run the wire over there. So not working. Let's try again. Yeah, it's working, baby. All right, check it out. You hear that? All right, so here was the point of that. So now, oh, what? Now I have to do the long reach. Which doesn't matter right now so much, but when, you know, when I really start driving them, you know, especially on the freeway, I'm not going to want to, you know, scroll all the way over there. So now, and boom. And I got him kicking on a little bit more. I don't know if you notice, but he's on high now. Before it was just like a low fan. So there we go. That's it. So awesome. So awesome. It's the little things in life, people. This is so simple, but I love it. All right. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, subscribing, being patrons, all that good stuff. It really does make a difference. It helps out the channel a lot. So We got the new fan belts on, and we got the AC halfway done. So now the next thing, just got to check all the lines. We'll get gas, get that pumped up, and hopefully that'll work. Man, that would be awesome. So, yeah, so I figure why not start them up? I'm kind of curious if there's any slight difference with the better belts. They're definitely a lot better feeling on there now. So I'm going to start them up, and then thank you guys for watching, and that'll be a wrap. Boom. A little bit of that. Let me make sure I'm not in gear. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, it just sounds so awesome. Wow. Oh, so awesome. Why is he stalling out? Maybe because it's hot. Ah, you hear the fan? All right, guys, thank you for watching. Boom, baby. Yeah, you like that? Huh? You like that?